Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to talk about Playsout or Play token on Binance Alpha. I will talk about the projects, the price prediction, and I will show you how to buy it on Binance Alpha. So first you can open your Binance apps and then make sure you have signed in. After that you can go to your search box here in the top and you can search Play for Playsout. You can search it and you will find Play on Alpha. You can click it and this is the charts. Let's see the 1 hour time frame. It's not really bad. I think it's good, I think, because it's not quickly down. So yeah, so from the charts perspective it's good, I think, in my personal opinion. And you can also click info here and you will find the 24-hour high, low, and the volume. Oh, the volume, I think it's good, 18 million. It's good, I think. And also we can check their website and their social media. Let's check their website first. So this is their website. Bridging words, one mini game at a time. So I think it's about game. Okay, so it's about game. Okay, this is the details. So okay, what can we see here? What is this? Let's check. Okay, so there are so many games. Can play games. So yeah, it's about games, guys. So let's back to the C and let's see their X platform. Okay, this is their X account. Mini games are getting. Okay, mini games are going global. And the apps you already use and love. Okay, cool. So it's about game. If you're into a game, into gaming, so I think it's good. But you have to do your own research, and this is not financial advice. And if you want to buy it, I will show you how. So first you can go back to the chart and click trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose limit orders. You can put the price here. It's up to you, and you can choose the amount. Also you can choose buy by instant, so you can swap your USDT or other token to pay. I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.